as the construction or refurbishment is evolving, they are able to have that immersive experience by leveraging the Matterport model. So the customers are able to see the progress in a virtual capacity. So the customers don't need to be able to go to the site in order to be able to see the progress. So what they've actually managed to attain is actually a 50% reduction in time, as well as the travel cost as well. So that applies for their internal stakeholders, as well as their external stakeholders as well. They were also were able to attain a 80% cost savings on documentations, because previously all of the sort of documentations were sort of scattered all over the place, but by actually having all of the assets in one place, they were able to definitely save 80% cost savings on the documentations. And then they also saw an improvement in their business processes. They're able to plan 30% faster planning, as well as the build out timelines and so forth.